Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore SEP IRA employer contributions using Vanguard records, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore SEP IRA employer contributions using Vanguard records, start by gathering all relevant documentation. Collect your SEP IRA account statements from Vanguard. Log into your Vanguard account using your credentials. Navigate to the account section where your SEP IRA is listed. Select the option to view your account statements. Download each statement that corresponds to the year you made contributions. Next, review the statements carefully for any discrepancies. Cross-check these records against your payroll records. Identify the total amount of employer contributions made during the specified time. If necessary, compile additional backup documentation, such as payroll summaries or tax filings. Reach out to your employer or the payroll department for clarification on any missing contributions. Gather any necessary forms or documents required for correction. Visit the IRS website to identify guidelines related to SEP IRA contributions. Complete the appropriate paperwork to document the restoration of employer contributions. Submit the forms to Vanguard according to their instructions. Ensure that you keep copies of all submitted documents for your records. Follow up with Vanguard after a few weeks to confirm that the contributions have been restored. Check your account statements again to verify that the adjustments are reflected accurately. Monitor your SEP IRA account regularly to stay updated on your contributions. Document any changes or communications for future reference. With these steps, you can efficiently restore SEP IRA employer contributions using Vanguard records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.